Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I'm a professional makeup artist. In this video today, I'm going to do this makeup tutorial for Diwali and I'm going to share a lot of helpful tips for you to do your makeup during the winter so that it helps you to get a flawless makeup and it doesn't form into dry patches, become cakey. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please continue watching. So I've just pulled my hair back so that it's easier to do the makeup. The other thing is I've already prepped my skin for the makeup, so if you want to know how to prep your skin, I have a video linked up here where I've spoken in detail of how I prep my skin. I like to start with the eye makeup first. So before, I'm going to prep my eyelids using this PAC Spotlight Concealer. Then I'm going to set it with a little bit of loose powder. This is from Kryolan. Let's begin with the makeup. So I'll be using my James Charles palette. Today I'm going to do the golden eye. I'm going to take this shade as a transition. Now I'm going to take this one shade which is slightly darker than this and apply it into the outer third. Then I'm going to take this shade and apply it all over my lids. So I'm keeping my eye makeup look very simple because the focus of my makeup is going to be the base makeup. Now I'm going to top it up with this deep golden shimmer shade. So the basic idea of doing eye makeup first is because if there are any fallouts on the face, then you can easily clean it up. If you're doing your base makeup first and then go with the eyes, then if there are fallouts, then it becomes very difficult to clean it up without ruining the makeup. So I'm going to line my waterline or lash line with this Maybelline gel liner. I'm going to start with the base makeup now, and for primer I'm using this PAC Dewy Finish primer. Today I'm going for a dewy look because it's always matte during summer. So for winters, make sure that you use whatever cream based products which you have. If you have a cream highlighter, a blush, and what else, cream contour, try to use those cream based products because it's better as compared to powder. Now for the foundation, I'm using a dewy foundation again. This is Benefit Hello Happy foundation. This is a very nice foundation for the winters. I don't want to use matte products. If you have a matte foundation, use that, it's fine, but make sure that you moisturize your skin well. So I'm going to take one pump first, and if needed I'll take extra, but always start with less. And today I'll be applying with a beauty blender. It's better to use beauty blender for during the winter because if you're using a brush, you have to be very careful on the techniques of using it because it can leave streaky lines and it can lead to dry, flaky skin. So beauty blender is the best option during the winters. I have taken this much, one pump on the back of my hand. I'm not going to dip the beauty blender. I'm going to apply it with my fingers and then take the beauty blender and blend it. I'm not going to apply under my eyes and near my mouth area because I'll be applying concealer there. I apply concealer first, but I forgot today as I was talking. I think one pump was more than enough. I have made my beauty blender damp. I'm going to blend it. Always blend it in dabbing motions. On the places where you have applied concealer, don't apply foundation or else it can look cakey. If you need more coverage, apply a little bit more of the concealer. I'm going to use this same PAC Spotlight Concealer. This is a very nice concealer for the festive seasons, almost close to full coverage. I'm going to take very less amount. That is how much I've taken for this concealer because it's like very full coverage. As you can see, it has covered up the dark circles pretty well. If you apply too much, it can get very cakey and settle into the lines, so be very careful if you're using this particular concealer. As I said, I'm applying it near my mouth area as well. Again, very less quantity. let's do the contouring now. Whatever cream products you have, use those. I have this Kryolan, a concealer shade. I use it for cream contours. Again, this too I'm going to take very less quantity. I'll start with the jawline. I have made a detailed video on contouring. In case you want, you can check it out. It depends upon the kind of look you want. If you want a very sharp jawline, then you have to contour accordingly, and that much product should be used. I don't like to contour the forehead much. I have this brush for contouring. It's a nice stiff contouring brush, so I'm going to use this. You can take your beauty blender as well. As you noticed, I have not set the foundation and the concealer with a loose powder because I'm going to use a setting spray to seal the whole makeup. And because it's winter, it can get a little bit too cakey, so I'm being very careful, because though I have oily skin, my makeup can still look very cakey. So I'm being very careful using cream products wherever possible, using less of powders. I don't have a cream blush, so I'm going to use my same powder blush and apply it with a very light hand. I don't want too much product. If you want detailed videos on how to apply these products, I have already made detailed video on all the topics. You can check it out from the description box below. Okay, now for highlighter, as I said, cream products. This is the PAC Strobe cream. Very less product is needed. So I've just taken this much. I'm going to apply a little bit on the higher points of my face. I'll apply this with my fingers only. And then I'm going to blend it into the skin with my fingers only. It's easier to use the fingers to blend. It's a stroke cream, like a liquid highlighter. You can mix it in your foundation as well and apply. You can apply directly on top of the foundation. It looks good. It's a nice golden shade. It goes with all Indian skin tones. Cheaper than MAC Strobe. This is a nice one if you want to try. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows with the PAC Eyebrow Definer. Next is the mascara. Okay, the last step is the lipstick, and I'm going to use this Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Trophy Wife. Last step is the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. Instead of using a setting powder, I'm using a setting spray. This makes the makeup last for the longest period of time. So this is the finished look. I hope you found some valuable tips for makeup from this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more such videos related to makeup tutorials, makeup tips and skincare related videos as well. And you can find a lot of these videos from the description box. I've already made a lot of videos on different makeup topics, which is good and helpful for beginners. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.